Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am at the Mysore. You can see the elephant preparation for the Dasara. As you can see, there are around 10 to 15 elephants. They come up in a line. They are practicing for the Dasara. You can see the elephants are coming up in one after the other. You can see here. Yeah, I will show you the video. They are practicing for the Dasara celebration. You can see it is surrounded by the police and the guards and the forest officials. It is one of the most beautiful scenes in the history of the world, because you can't see an elephant walking in the street of a city with full security of the police, the forest officials, and everyone. You can see the elephants are coming slowly. They are practicing for the Dasara. You can see the elephant. You can see the crowds also. You can see the elephant. This is elephant number one. This is the city center of the Mysore. There is Care Circle. It's very close to the bus stand. You can see the elephants. One, two. All sizes of the elephants are there, from small to big. Every elephant you can see.
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡದೆ ನಾಳೆನೇ ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ macam mau tak tahu. You can see the elephants here. As I'm very close to the elephant, you can see there are security personnel and so many people are surrounded by the elephant. Actually, these elephants go to Banimantap. Up to really Banimantap, they go from Mysore Palace. It's around 6 kilometers here. The practice for the Dasara procession. You can see the elephant, which is very close to me. You can see they are going in a line. There are 10 to 15 elephants here. You can see the elephant is given police security. Actually, this is the market road. The elephant is going from the palace to the market road. Up to Banimantap it is going. You can see here, it is one of the iconic roads. In the Dasara time, these roads are good with the lightings from 6 to 10 p.m. You can see the elephant. Yeah, you can see the elephants are walking, and also the security is there, the police, the forest officials is there. Mysore Palace. Again, the elephants are coming back to Mysore Palace. You can see the traffic control in this place. You can see the traffic control. You can see the elephants are again coming back to Mysore Palace. You can see this circle. Actually, this is the Mysore Palace. You can see the elephants are coming back. First, there will be one jeep. It will take all the sharp objects, such as the magnets, like that. Now the elephants are coming up in the line, one by one. You can see the elephants. You can see the elephants. All the elephants that after traveling for 2 kilometers are again coming back. You can see the elephants. You You can see the elephants are again coming back to Mysore Palace. There are around 10 to 15 elephants. You can see it is returning to the Mysore Palace. You can see the elephants. Yeah. The elephants are surrounded by the you can see the large noise. Elephants are surrounded by you can see the elephant, and it is a very small elephant. It does not have the teeth. It is called a danta. It's very younger elephant. You can see these are all the bigger elephants, but this is the baby elephant. It is all returning to Mysore Palace after having 2 kilometers of the walk. After having two, you can see the people, the public, all are taking the photos. You can see these are the elephants returning to the Mysore Palace with high security, with the police and a forest official. Yeah. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. The line of the elephants, it is entering the Mysore Palace. You can see the line of elephants. The gate needs to open. They are opening the gate to enter into the inside the Mysore Palace. You can see it is entering to the gate of the Mysore Palace. One by one, the elephants are entering. You can see the elephants and the crowd here. You can see the elephants and the crowd. It is entering one by one into the Mysore Palace. This is the vlog about the elephants in Mysore. Please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. I'm repeating once again. Please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.